What is up, everyone? Welcome to CanvaPlay!
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Simon, Good Heart VA, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. We make videos here in Canva Play to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. Alright then, let me start our today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a 3D pop-up sketch effect in Canva. Have you seen the tutorial we made here on human smoke effect? In that design, we turn a human into a half smoke and a half human form. In this tutorial called 3D pop-up sketch effect, I will turn a human into a half sketch and a half human form photo design. You will learn how to make your photo into a sketch, meaning the half part will be like a rough drawing done in pencil, and how to make the other half pop up like a 3D when placed in a plain paper or notebook. I am so excited to show you the final output when done. Without further ado, let's get into Canva and create the 3D pop-up sketch effect. But before that, here is the design that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page and let's create a design. First, get your subject image from photos or uploads. I will get mine from photos by searching the keyword jumping determined hipster man. Here it is, the first image, showing you the keyword jumping determined hipster man. I will click it and use it in the design. Let's leave this one first for later use and add a new page. Before we start creating our 3D pop-up sketch effect, I will prepare first my design background. I want my background to be a top view of a wooden table with a notebook placed in it, wherein my design will pop up coming from the notebook. Let's find a wooden background from photos by searching the keyword wooden table background. I'll scroll down to find the image that I want to use. Here it is, showing you again a keyword wooden table background. I'll click it to use in the design. I'll rotate it to 90 degrees to make it vertical. And I will set this image as my background. Next, I'll search for another image under photos. This time, I want it to be a notebook. I'll search under photos the keyword open blank notebook. You can see so many options here. I think here it is. I want to use this kind of notebook, showing you the keyword open blank notebook. I'll click it to use in the design. I will resize it to make it bigger. And I will tilt it a little. I will rotate it counterclockwise like this to -5. Perfect. I will position it a little bit lower. And once it's already good, I will lock it. Now, let's get back to the image we left a while ago. This one. Drag it to your recently made background. I will then duplicate this image because we will be needing 2 copies of this. Okay, so let's start the 3D pop-up sketch effect. First, I'll remove the background of these 2 images and will erase some portions of them after. Using this first image, go to Edit Image, click on Background Remover. If you are a Pro version user, you can automatically remove the background under Edit Image. If you're a free version user, you can use the free alternative background remover like remove.bg. You can find it in the description box below the link to this alternative. If you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description box below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. Just click the link and it will direct you to the Canva to process your trial subscription. It's completely free and you can cancel it at any time you want, hassle-free. I will not click apply yet because my goal here is to retain the upper part of the subject's body. On this first image, I will retain the upper part, and on the second image, I will retain the lower part of the man's body. Watch carefully what I will do. Once you're already good, click Done and Apply. Let's do it once more on this second image. Go to Edit Image and then click on Background Remover. This time, we will erase the upper portion of the man's body to retain the lower part of his body. Click Done and Apply. Let's just wait for it to load. Once it is fully loaded, you can select them. Then click Position, Middle, Center. Now you can resize them like this. Perfect. The next step is to make and transform the lower part of his body to a sketch drawing. Here's what we will do. Using this image, let me just, here, using this lower body image, go to Edit Image, and find the duotone effect. This one. Once you find the duotone effect, click See All. And you will see so many options here of the duotone. But I will scroll down and I'll use this one, the classic duotone. Actually, you can use all of them because the important part of using this feature really is to change the color settings of it to black and white. So as for me, I will use this classic duotone. I will click it and then click again to see the settings. You will see the highlights, shadows, and intensity settings. Then I will change the color of the highlights to black. And I will change the color of the shadows to white. And I will retain the intensity settings to 1. So as you can see, it turned your image into a negative effect, like an X-ray kind of effect. So let's click apply and wait for the effect to load. We'll apply another trick to fully transform it to a sketch drawing. So using again this lower body image, go to edit image, scroll down and this time find the 3P effect. Click see all. Under it, choose trace. Click again and change the following settings under solarize into brightness 0.25, power 3, colorize 1. The RGB shift amount 0, angle 0. And then click apply. Let's just wait for it to load. As you can see, it transformed the lower portion of human's body image into a sketch effect, right? So it is not yet fully transformed into a sketch because we will add some additional effects into it to make it more realistic. Now that the effect has fully loaded, you can see that it has a white background surrounding it. So we will use again the background remover to remove its background. Using the image, go to edit image, click on background remover. Once done, click apply. To continue, I will apply again the duotone effect on this image. Why? Because the shade white of the paper as its background is not purely white or solid white. And the sketch effect has a white highlights in it. So we will just transform the duotone of this lower portion of the man's body image into the kind of shade of white of the paper in the notebook. So using this lower portion of the man's body image, we will go again to the duotone effect here in the recently used. Scroll down and find classic. Click it. Click again to see the settings. This time, we will change the highlight settings using the eyedropper tool and choose the color of the paper within the notebook like this. Perfect. And the shadows, Retain it to black. Let's make this to solid black. And intensity, retain to 1. Apply. Using the same image, go to Edit Image, find the Adjust settings, click See All, and adjust the following settings to Blur, -5, Clarity, 3, Shadows, to 100. And let's change the transparency settings from 100 to 40. Perfect. Now, it's already a sketch type of drawing. To make it more realistic, I'll add some texture into it, into the sketch drawing we made. Let's go to Elements and search for the keyword grunge, black and white, urban texture, template, period, abstract, overlay, distress. Hit enter, go to graphics, and we will choose this one, showing you the keyword grunge, black and white, urban texture template, period, abstract overlay distress, wall background, comma, design element, comma, vintage effect, comma, vector illustration, EPS 10. So let's click it to use in the design. As you can see, if we will zoom in, this kind of texture is like a sketch marks of the pencil. So we will use this and spread it in your sketch effect design. So watch me carefully on how I will do it. Done! As you can see, I spread this texture on the sketch drawing part of the design, like this that I have already made. And I duplicated it a while ago and overlay it to my design, especially on the part of the sketch drawing. This type of keyword can't be searched easily inside Canva's library, so finding keywords is hard and time consuming, and you need to do a depth search and a lot more time to find this kind of keyword. If you want to save time and find extraordinary keywords like this in Canva, we have created an ebook called Canva Deep. Canva Deep is an ebook of 900 plus Canva search keywords with visual presentations that are widely known and deep search to help you find the exact stack Canva resources for your day-to-day designs. We're almost close to the finish line of this design. Let's continue. This time, we will now focus on the upper portion of the man's body. We will make the upper portion pop up on the paper. So how? By applying shadow effects. Using the upper part of the body's image, I will go to Edit Image, scroll down and find the Shadows effect. Click See All, and I will choose the Drop Shadow effect. Click again to see the settings and change the following settings: position, top, transparency, 270, blur, 11, Color, change it to solid black. And let's play with the offset and the angle settings. So, as for me, let's change the offset. I think let's try 1. Angle to -5. Let's try 2. I think 1 is better than 2. Okay. So once it's done, click apply. Let's just wait for it to load. Now let's resize the man properly to make it fit in his lower portion body. You can zoom in to see it properly. Perfect. Now select them all. And you can resize them to your desired proportion within the notebook. Like this. You can also drag the man a little bit upward to make it pop up to the notebook. You can tilt him. I made the head of the man sticking out of the notebook side edge. I think this is already good with me. Done! This is now the final look of the design I created using the 3D pop-up sketch effect in Canva. That's it! For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I am Simon, Good Heart VA, saying, sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky, God Sent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys! See you in the next video.